What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Cassidy and I am a photographer and flight attendant. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. I have a new video for you guys that is going to be talking about what is in my camera bag 2021. I know a lot of photographers do this video. It's kind of cliche, but I've never done one, and so today is that day. And I get questions about my gear, so I figured let me just make a vlog about it. So I'm going to start off talking about each thing individually, and then I'm going to show you how I pack everything and fit it in my bag. The bag that I use is the WANDRD Provoke 21, and this bag is heavy duty. It fits a lot of stuff, but also allows me to carry more minimalistically. It's a good balance. It's very comfortable to wear, and I honestly love it, especially the look. Like, that's a sexy bag. The main compartments of this bag are this compartment here. There's stuff that goes here, here, and up here, which is the top part. There's all kinds of little compartments, but the main ones, you can unhook it with this adjustable clip. This rolls down with Velcro, and there's this top part, and there's a whole bunch that can fit in here as well. So let's get down to the meat and potatoes, as they say. Most importantly, and the main thing, is my Sony a7 II, which is what I'm using right now to record this on, so I can't really show you, and the Rode Video Micro that I have attached to it for audio with the dead cat. I really don't know why someone decided to name it a dead cat. I mean, I know it could look like a dead cat, but like, thinking about a dead cat is a really sad thing. Like, I just like to call it a puff. That's just me. So yeah, that is what I have on my newer tripod right now. The tripod I tend to keep in my car. I don't always bring it with me because I don't always use it when I shoot. It's nice to have it on hand for whatever I may need it for. I will also show that to you guys up close in a second. So besides the Sony a7 II and the Rode Video Micro, I also have the kit lens that came with the a7 II. It is the 28-70 f3.5 to 5.6 lens. It's a very basic lens, nothing extravagant, but you don't always need the most exotic, expensive gear. You can still create great content with a budget and very little gear. So next up is my zoom lens. It's also a kit lens. It came with my old body, the Sony a6000. It's 55 to 210 f4.5 to 6.3. That is what you see here. What I keep in the top compartment is my Adobe GorillaPod, and to fit it in there, I have to adjust this down here so it's a little bit smaller. This is great if you don't want to carry a big tripod with you. This is smaller, more travel friendly, and for the most part it's pretty sturdy. I use this to get all of the photos of myself while I was in Sedona, so this is something that is worth it. I got it on Amazon. I have a phone mount that can attach to a tripod or the Adobe GorillaPod, and you can rotate it either which way. It can extend and fit all different size phones. So this is nice to have if you want to record something with your iPhone or whatever smartphone you may have. Let's see, in the top compartment we also have my Bose noise canceling headphones. These bad boys are seriously like one of my favorite things ever. The charging cord is inside, as well as an auxiliary cable, and the quality, the sound quality. I'm a music geek, so like, this is where it's at. I keep a cleaning kit with me. It doesn't have a ton in it, but these are important. This little puff, microfiber cloth, these things. I honestly don't even know what these are called. Next up, we got the battery situation. I usually have 4 batteries with me total, the one that's in the camera. a spare, and then this, because this only can hold 2 at a time. And then this is a battery charger that came with a battery. The cord is in my tech travel case. This works really fast and charges the batteries, so this is awesome. This also goes in the top compartment. It is a Bag Smart tech travel case, but if you open it up, lots of stuff. But I have like my MacBook charger, my phone charger, a backup phone charger, an extra cube, Seagate 2 terabyte hard drive where I store all of my photos instead of on my laptop directly. Just lots of different cords and plugs, and it all just fits in here. And I am big on organization, so just having everything right here is so convenient. My external flash by Godox. And this is going to be great for the portrait shoots that I do. And this actually goes into the case that came with it. So this just slides into here, and I also keep this in the top compartment. It gets a little packed, but I don't always carry like this with me, for example, or the Bose headphones. It just depends on what I'm doing. If I'm traveling, I for sure have the headphones. Talk about is the ND filter that I have with me. I have this carrying case that I got as well. It can fit up to 3, but I only have 1, and it was both were very inexpensive from B&H Photo. I love that store. It is a Tiffin 55mm neutral density 1.2. I have my Lume Cube that I got recently. This lets it attach to the top of the camera, and it's really good for like food shoots or lighting stuff when you're doing like more macro shots. So you turn it on, and it's not very bright right now. Take off the case, increase the percentage, and then change the mode, and it goes down to more of the warmer light. This is the mini, so it's perfect for traveling. My GoPro Hero 8. Everybody knows how awesome GoPros are. This thing is a beast. I usually bring this when I'm doing something in the water because it is itself waterproof. I used this in the Keys when I was snorkeling, and it is amazing. I also have an accessory kit that I ordered off of Amazon that has so many accessories, and I will pick and choose out of that what I want to bring with me into the backpack. Love my GoPro. Waterproof phone case or phone cover, and it closes magnetically, and it's pretty heavy duty. Like, it works. I don't use it often, but I have it just in case if I feel like wanting to film something in the water on my phone. I also have my portable charger. I got this on Amazon. It was only 30 or 40 bucks, and it can charge 4 things at once. 2 USB ports, 1 USB-C, and it also does wireless charging. This is the solar panel part, and you can attach it to a backpack if you were to go hiking, let it charge all day in the sun. And it has lights and has different modes, strobe for if you're in distress or lost, and this is the indicator. Again, not too expensive, and this is heavy duty and charges things really fast. I love this. Oh, my MacBook Pro. This is the new one, not the M1, the one right before that, and I paid a little extra for more storage because that was my main issue with the last model that I had from a couple years ago. I love my MacBook. It's awesome, and it can handle all the photo and video editing that I do, and I love to decorate and express myself, so I've always covered my MacBooks with stickers. In this compartment up here, I have my camera strap in case I decide to use it or my arm gets too tired when I'm shooting. And some supplies, like for example, a random granola bar. I think of tons of like what if situations that probably won't ever happen, but if they do, I want to be prepared, and I'm like, maybe I'll get lost or stranded somewhere one day and I'll be hungry, and I have a granola bar, a Go Macro one of my favorite brands. It's really weird, I know. Don't ask me to explain it, but yeah. Now, let me show you guys how I pack and fit everything into my bag, and once again, I don't always have all of these accessories with me. It depends on what I'm doing. If I'm flying, for example, I'll for sure have my those headphones with me. If I'm not and just going to a photo gig, I won't bring those. Or really the tech travel case, I'll just pick out the chargers that I need, stick them in the pocket. Let's pack it all up. That is it, guys. That is what is in my camera bag 2021, plus or minus a few things depending on what I'm doing. This is my trusty WANDRD bag. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It really helps and I appreciate it so much. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay up to date when I post more videos. It's going to be every week and I am excited to be back to vlogging again and to be taking you guys on this journey with me. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at CastTheNomad, where I usually post daily. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see you in the next one.